So right now we're going to be doweling in rebar to our existing footing that we newly poured footing from the last phase. And the design calls for rebars number 5 to be doweled in 6 inches minimum to the existing footing. So I drilled the holes already with the 3/4 inch bit. These are number 5 rebar, which is 5/8. So you drill one size bigger, 3/4. And then we're going to fill with HD 500 HILTI adhesive to bond them into the existing concrete. And these are short pieces, like 3'4", and they're going to lap onto the footing rebar, which is also number 5. So it's going to lap about 3 feet, and this will get tied to there. And so this rebar will extend all the way through to our other new footing. So let's do it. And once it comes out red, then you're good. Pretty much fill the hole. Oh, that was a little too much. That's okay. And that's it. So the HILTI adhesive that we're using here bonds the rebar dowels into the existing footing and creates a permanent, watertight structural connection between the new rebars and the existing footing. Now we'll wait 24 hours until it cures, but we can start tying the rebar already together now. This is a really good product. There's ones that have a battery that automatically dispense electric. You don't need it. It's super easy to squeeze by hand. So if you're going to be doing any sort of foundation or concrete work with embedment and attachment of rebar to existing concrete or to new concrete, you definitely want to have this tool. It's a must-have. You definitely need it. Some people just drill and put the rebar in without attaching it, but that does not create the structural connection that's required. So I would highly recommend the HILTI adhesive and the HILTI gun. HILTI is considered the top of the line when it comes to structural adhesives. Structural epoxy adhesive, yeah, they're considered the top of the line. Simpson also makes one. Sika also makes it. But I mean, across the world, HILTI is recognized as I would say, the top producer of epoxy adhesives.